Hello, and this is Gaming Normal, and today I will be reviewing the Retaliator Elite X, or the XD. So first, to start off, we have a big firing test. Let me go cut. It comes with 12 bullets, but I got this quite a while ago and I lost it. So let's talk about the gun's actual features. So it comes with a 12 dart clip, a grip. Wait, so let me just strip this all down. Yeah, so let me strip it all down. So, you got pistol. But then you got 12 dots. And one of the funny things that my friend suggested me is I wouldn't do that though because it's a hard pressure. And once you pull it down and you pull it up, it'll deconnect. Yeah, you've got a little pistol. Donut clip, and then you've got a stock. So now you've got like an SMG gun, like doo doo. And then barrel extension. It's like a shotgun. And then you've got the grip. And one of the cool things is I've done this myself. Basically, you get the grip. And then you have the grip. One of the things is sometimes you keep pushing it back too hard. And then you have the bipod. You can have the sniper. So let me show you. So let me put this down. Let's put the sniper down. I'll probably use the camera over. This is my sniper. And there's a there's, let me say, there's 1, 2, 3, there's 3 tacticals. So like you could put a scope here, you can have a sniper scope, and you can have like one of the ones from the not Vulcans, the recons. Yeah, there's recons on here. So the pods are, and there's a little scope there. This is a little built-in scope there. And then one of the cool things is, let me go get this. If you have a radar or a one-page mag, you take the barrel extension off the mag and put it in. This is a 25 dart clip radar, and it looks like an SMG gun. It takes any barrel extension, because I know some guns only take certain ones. Any stock, any magazines, except from the mega ones, of course. Yes. The gaming armor out. Gaming armor.